What's up, everybody? So welcome back. I'm going to do another quick video today. Try to keep it really short because today I've been challenged to do a speed build. Yes, that's right, everybody. My good friend Joel Nyanyamani from Nigerian, this handsome fellow right here, has basically come to me telling me that he needs a website, and I told him that he should be using Hostinger, and he said, "What's that?" And I told him how great and how low cost it was, and I told him that I could probably have him an entire website built in half an hour, and he was incredulous, I think. And so I just thought, wouldn't this be a great sort of topic for a video to kind of demo just how easy and quick this is to get a quality website, a usable website right away with virtually no cost and very low effort. So I told Joel that he needs to be getting an online presence. He needs to be having a platform to rep himself, and a website would be a good start. How's he going to make business? How's he going to build business, build a reputation if he doesn't have a web presence of some sort? And I think that a website will help him establish himself, show people that he's a professional, that he's serious, that he has resource and ability, and it will be the start of something good. It, at any rate, or in any case, this will be kind of a good show of what's possible. I think that for me, I tend to think all of this is everyone knows all of this. What I'm doing, everyone should already know how, and I guess that's actually not the case. So for the people that think this is easy, yeah, this is not for you. Hopefully, this this demo, this video here can serve some kind of purpose or value for some specific target audience. All right, guys. So Joel created a sort of a mock company here, or in this is his idea. This is what the representation he wants to go forward. Um, he says it's workflowease.ai, and that will be the name of his company in Nigeria. And I will help him do some cold email outreach, large scale cold email outreach to hopefully reach some small and maybe medium sized enterprises in Nigeria from all markets and niches, categories, business segments, and maybe we can impress them and win a contract or win a job from them, and maybe this will be the start of something great. But at any case, I've taken just a little bit of time to prep all of my materials here for in order to do this build, and so that includes my cadence. I've got all my cadence here. Got my theme. I got my starter templates. I got conversions, and then I have opened up I have my license key ready. So that's what I'm gonna need. We will need to be doing more than just cadence, but this, remember, is a speed build, so it's the bare bones. It's just to show what can be done. And I've done just the most cursory, sort of superficial preparation here, and I hope that I can actually do this as quickly as possible. So what Joel wrote me here some. Let's take a look. So last night at at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. He wrote me up. Here it is. We're discussing. And he wrote this, obviously AI generated outline of workflow ease. And I have just put it into ChatGPT with this sort of starter paragraph. And this is just because I know that to create the website quickly, we can't have more than, it might even be less than 2,000 characters. It's probably 1,000 characters actually, when I think about it. And it needs to be a little bit more structured so that we can get a good result. Also, I wanted to steer the AI in a specific direction, so I kind of parsed it and edited it a little bit, and I added something about me and something about Joel, and that's it. And so now it's come and given me this kind of breakdown. So this is what we're going to go with. So we've got this. We'll see how much of this we use. And one other thing, yes, I checked because I'm going to be using Hostinger for this, and I checked, and .ai URLs are not free. In fact, they're quite expensive. They're up to 70 and 80 US dollars a year, which is expensive. But I did check, and .io is available. .com is not, is already taken. .io is available, and I'll get that one for free with my, you get one URL when you purchase a hosting account there at Hostinger. And just to share with everybody, Hostinger is fast and really a breeze, really fun to use. Their support is excellent, and I'm just using this $2.99 deal. So you guys can consider checking that out. I'll put my affiliate link in the description. And if you need any help, come ask me. I love helping you. I want to help you. Feel free. So with that said, I'm going to just position my all of my tools here. So this is the Hostinger account, and I just bought this business web hosting actually right just at the beginning, the end of October. This was when they were having like a Black Friday sale. So I got a cheap, I got 4 years at, I think it was even less than $2.99. And so I'm going to use this. I haven't used it yet. So we're going to just go into that. And so I'm going to purchase the URL. We're going to watch this whole thing set up and get it going immediately. And I am going to create a logo here, and I've got some ideas. So I'm kind of inspired by JSON, and that is JavaScript Object Notation. That's some kind of coding language that I've been learning a lot about this year. It's very simple. It's structured with curly brackets and key value pairs. It's very prevalent or prominent in Make.com, which is the automation tool that I've been learning. And it's just been a joy and so fun and so interesting. So I'm going to use that as my basis for the logo, and I'm going to use Placeit to do that, and just go with it. See what we can do. And I'm going to first do the logo, and then I'm going to do the site. So because we could do the site, we could do it either way. It doesn't really matter which one is first, but it makes logical sense to do a logo first, because you may not know how it will end up looking, and that will potentially impact or influence the final result of the website itself in terms of layout. So Placeit is something that I've been using for some years now, and it's actually, it does have a free version, and you can use it for free to make your own logo, so you don't need to pay for it. I happen to pay for it because I use it a lot, and it's really great. But you can get it for free. And so there is a logo builder here, and but I will show you the whole logo design progress here, sort of process here, from beginning to end, and then we'll see where we go with that. And I will only need to probably remove the background from it. So we'll have this, and then I'm going to open Paint because we're going to have to edit it real quick. And I've got my JPEG compressor open because that will make all of our images small. I've taken the liberty of downloading some pictures of Joel, and then made some pictures of myself, actually. Here's another one. Ah, yes. Nice. So just got these ready. Yeah, so there they are. There they all are. So I've got a bunch of pictures of myself, AI pictures, obviously, and then I've used what we call that, free pick here. And so I also have been, this is a great, this is $95 a year, and that's unlimited royalty free stock photos. And this has been, I've been using this for years and years. It's excellent. I also highly recommend it if you have the budget. If you don't, you can obviously use something like Unsplash. I think that's a, yep. Beautiful free images. So this will have a lot of images that you could use for free as well. So I've got AI stock photos, this kind of thing. So this is, you can definitely take some right off of here for free, but I've used this one, and I have downloaded a bunch here, like starting from here, and I'm gonna actually compress these and then maybe use them in the actual site. Oh, and one more thing I need to grab is I need to get this ready. Actually, two things I need to do ready. I want to get the address. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, right here. So here's his address. So this is the address in Nigeria. I'm gonna just get these ready. And his phone ready. So this will be used, and then I'm gonna open up, we'll make two addresses. So I'm gonna do this. Use my US address here. So I'll have both of these open, ready to go, so I can just plug them right in. And we're going to start out with our logo. So I'm going to come in here. Okay, we can add this timer. Actually, we could actually add the timer after. Let's reset it, and we can add the timer in post, obviously. But I'm gonna see how it goes. So without further ado, guys, let's bang out a logo and then bang out a website and see how long it takes. And then maybe we can set a record, or at least set a benchmark, and then we'll see if we can beat it in the future, or what people think, and you can give me your feedback. Okay, with that all said, let's give her a go. So I'm going to come right in here and put my logo title, Workflow Ease, and what I want to do this time is something with code. I'm trying to go for the JSON aesthetic, and I want to do the brackets. Yeah. This is what I want here. I don't think it will produce curly brackets. Yeah. but I want the curly brackets, but I don't want them like this. This is too empty. Maybe we will do Canva. First, let me try to find the JSON icon. All right, images. Yeah. This is cool, but JSON doesn't use semicolons, I don't think. This is what I want right here. Okay. Yes, this kind of thing here. Okay, download that. So I don't think I can use this. We can actually try, but it's not going to have the exact one I want, but we can still go through this real quick. So let's check it out. See, so this is kind of cool, but then I have to go with this kind of square. This is kind of cool. I like that green. See, some of these are a little bit like video gamey, but you can see that you can make this is kind of interesting, actually. I like that font. So see what's happening here, guys? This is nice. It's just empty in the middle. That's why I like the other one. So yeah, I can do this in Canva, or I can do this here. But if you see, let's see if we can see, I like that, but yeah, I like this kind of here, but okay, so once I click on that, it's next to fonts. So then I can choose a font that I like. So this is, you see how this works? I'm kind of looking for something computer like that. Or this. Very nice. See, we could use this. I think this is quite nice. And then Joel gave me a tagline: "Work harder, not smarter." So we'll just put that right underneath there. But yeah, this is what I want to go for. But let's just use this to get a color palette, because we will need that. I think I'll use that. But so I'm not sure whether I'll use Placeit this time or Canva. So see, this is good. So this is kind of showing you now it's working on color palettes here. I like the green and the orange, but not that kind of bright orange. Yeah. So we'll go with the green and the orange, but maybe not that bright. Was that one? Yeah, this one. But I like maybe a darker green and a darker orange. So as you can see here, guys, we could easily let's see, make the background transparent, and then as you can see, I could change all these colors. And what I'm going to do here is okay, so what I want to do is work. So I work smarter, and I'm using the whole key value pair syntax, so to speak, here. This is what I'm going for. And then I would probably make that black or something. Yeah. So, okay, so we'll take a look. So look, this has you can see here, there's a bunch of palettes. So I've often just used these here. Yes. See, I'm looking for this kind of thing right here. So this is what I want to use. And yeah, and then see, so I'm just going to go for this kind of aesthetic. And then let's give these brackets. So as you can see, I basically have a motif and I want to use this, and then I want this to be black, I think. So we'll go and make this black. Yeah. And then I would get rid of this. We'll just hide it. So as you can see, then I can just change everything. So this is actually quite nice, and I could use this as is. Of course, this one is not quite, yeah. Yeah, I mean, whoops, look, I did that wrong. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, so this is exactly what I want. I mean, this is really cool. I just want to make this as big as I can get. The only thing about this is it's in the rectangle. It's in a square. It's kind of square, if you can see. So I'll have to put it in the center of the website. It'll have to go in the center, and I personally like the rectangle style. But look at this. This is actually quite good. So we could do this right now. Okay, so that was whatever. It just took me 7 minutes to make this. But let's go and try it out in Canva. So look, the typical 250 by 150 or somewhere around 450 by, so custom design, custom size, let's see. Yeah, 400 by 150 is roughly what we're looking at. So this is for a rectangle. Now I will upload the file that I did here. Check this out. So this is kind of what I want. I want to do this in the left side here, but I don't want this orange. This is yellowish. So I'll teach you a quick. I'm gonna make this. You have to edit it, and then you come down to duotone, and then all you have to do is click on it, and then you have these two buttons here, and then let's go back to our this one, and then click in here, and so palettes. Yeah, we'll go into custom, and then so this is our. Let's make sure that we got the right color though. So I wanted this one right here. Yeah. So what we'll do is, so that's an 11. That's the color code there. So then I'm going to come drop back over here, and I'll just pump it in here. And see, change the color like that. And then let's go back and see my. So now we're working with. Excuse me, no, that's the wrong way. So I wanted to make the brackets the orange and the words the green. So let's change that. Let's go right here. Yeah. And then back to custom. And then we'll have the hex code. So I'll just click back in here on duotone. Okay. We're looking at duotone. So so actually so we'll just change that like that. And then edit, and then I'm looking for my duotone. See, so it's there it is. Yeah. So I'm doing the brackets orange, and then I'm doing the text. So I want to get a good text like robot. This could let's go see what the text was. Now, I could easily go back and use this text, which is Butler stencil. This is a stencil. Let's see. So we can go into all of these here. Butler stencil. Okay, so it really suggested railway. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to wing it, guys. So we're here. So we're gonna just have to wing it on the. So I want to put robot, or I want to put technology code. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Codec Pro. Let's see. So then we'll go workflow ease. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. And then I will make it a little bit letter spacing. No, I want to make it kind of taller. No. Okay. First of all, we'll go to the green. Go get the green from the boom over here to the green. What was the green? Yeah. Colors right here. So as you can see, guys, this is all fly by my pants. See my pants here. So if you want to make this fast, you can do it as fast as you want. Like that. And we have to get them all. And then there we go. Nice, right? I think it looks nice. Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger. Workflow ease, and then yeah. See, so I quite like that actually. Could be a little bit crowded there, and also it would be nicer if we could make the words taller. Yeah, we could do effects. So see, this actually gets quite fun. Okay. That's not affecting it at all. These are affecting it. Yeah, we could put them a little bit together. Okay. That way it could make it slightly. So I think this is pretty good. I kind of like this. It's simple. Now, if we wanted to get like really complicated, see, I can just take this down right now, and we could absolutely. And so you can see there's a nice center. Give it maybe a little bit over here. Yeah. And so I can just share it like that and download, and boom, PNG right there. Compress. We want the transparent background, and that's done. So as you could see, guys, okay, so in 15 minutes, I've got 2 versions here. And the only thing that I could change, or I would change, so I like this, actually. I quite like this. And this is what I really want to add see this tagline, and it's using the key value pair sort of syntax of the JSON, which is fun. And so the only thing I could do here is make it small. I'd like to add this, but it might be crowded from an artistic point of view, guys. I think we could move this up. And yeah, I kind of like it. Yeah, so here we go, guys. The rule of thirds. We don't want to make this too small. it to at least be legible. So the reason why I'm using this is this is the way JSON is written. So we're looking at, yeah, I think it's kind of nice. And again, we could do spacing. Letter spacing. That's what we want to do. Okay, there we go. So I'm kind of digging it. We want it to be equal here. I'm kind of digging it. So this will be our thing. So we'll have 3 of them. Now I'm gonna go with with this one. I'm going with this rectangle version because it's usually looks better, especially on tech, on modern websites. The square style, which this is actually nice, but it's missing some of the. This is also good. I can do this one too. We can download it here, but we have both. So, yeah, like that, and I could also make this bigger, and then this one could also get bigger, something like that. And so that's how I would do that, guys. So here we go. So we have 2 versions. Let me click on download, and we can use both of them. So I'm going to pause for 1 second and get ready to do the website. Okay, guys, so I am just going to take 1 quick minute to edit these logos so that they're perfectly. I'm going to use them in Paint. So I am just going to, as you can see, I'm going to kind of edit the edges there so that it can fit tight. So we'll just do that. Save as JPEG. No, we want to save it as a PNG, guys. So Workflow Ease final rectangle PNG. There we go. So we'll do that. Boom. And then we'll take this one. Open with Paint. Okay, so this one's huge. As you can see, this is a much higher, much larger, and actually higher quality. So, but as you can see, it's much more square. So that influences how we can place it on the website. So yeah, so just check the pixels and see it's enormous. So I don't want it to be more than 400 pixels, 400 by 200. So it's 2 by 1. See, then this will affect how it looks when it's sized up or when it's sized down, either way. So we'll do this as square final PNG. Okay, and that's that. Alrighty, guys. So now we're ready to do the website portion, and we're going to start out with our Hostinger interface. Our logo is done. I've got my cadence ready. I've got my cadence. Let's see, make sure that this is my key. Let's put it, we can just put it right here so that I have it ready to go. And what we're going to do is start over. So let's open up our little clock. Let's see. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna reset that clock. And so this is what I'm gonna do. This is the beginning of the website portion, and we'll see how we go. All right, guys. Let's see what I can do and how long it takes. So with that said, boom. So I'm gonna change the domain here. I'm gonna put workflowease.io. So I want .io. I know that this is, so they're going to give me it free. workflowease.io. And so I'm gonna, yeah, I mean, we can 6 primary information required to reach in case of your, yeah, okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna put this right now. This is just for the registration. Yep. Okay. Postal code. It's gonna add, and then oh yeah, so they got some problem. So this is my thing, yeah, right here. New type, yeah. Okay, so registration. Finishing the registration. So here we go. Only takes, this is all just registering the URL. So no work yet. Okay, we're reviewing. We're reviewing. Okay, so here it is. Workflow ease. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Domain is connecting. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and see what's we got here. So they've given me a preview domain. Give it a refresh. So this is just all part of setting up a domain, the dashboard. So this, even if we click this, dashboard is going to just take me to, so yeah, this is the dashboard for Workflow Easy. Okay, yeah, true. Yeah, your site links will fit this maybe. So yeah, so you got to have it done in, you got to, this apparently takes more than a few seconds. Okay, so we'll pause and wait for this. We'll wait for this to propagate, and we'll be right back. All right, so it appears that there's already some development. They're asking me to verify my email, and there we go, verify email. Okay, so that is done now. And so we should be ready to move on. Yes, so excellent. Okay, from now we begin in earnest. So now that the URL is registered, verified, and looks like the DNS is propagated, we can come over here to website, and we're going to do WordPress, and we're going to install WordPress. And okay, let's get ready. Let's move this, ready and go. So we're going to call this Workflow Ease. And yeah, we'll just keep it like this, and I will keep all of the, I'm going to have to keep that just in case. And let's see the inset. So this is all right. Yep. We're going to just go with the flow on that one. Actually, I'll just keep that there and install all the recommended settings and get going. So the first thing we're going to do here is install WordPress, and then install Kadence, the Kadence theme, then the starter templates, and then we'll be ready to go with the actual website, upload the images, the logo, and the whole thing. Okay, so we're going to go look at that, WordPress admin. And boom, we're already into our WordPress backend. I'm going to go straight to Appearance Themes, and I am going to add my theme, which is, actually Kadence should be up. There it is right there. I'm just going to use Kadence and activate it. Cadence, great theme. So I am gonna install a couple more things now from my Cadence folder here in the 2024. So Cadence like this. And I'm gonna go, we want the Pro version right there. And then we want to install the AI starter templates. And we're gonna activate them with my, oh, see, so it's, I already have, actually, so it wants to just, it's detecting, so yeah, it's detecting my account. Okay, so here we go. So looks like how it works. Yep, we'll just go to next. And so here it is, English, I am an individual. We're gonna go, I am a company or organization, workflow ease. And as I mentioned before, we need to have our address. I'm gonna do this one. And well, it's automation. I don't know if it's gonna have an automation in here. Automation, test automation. No, we can add automation. We'll see about that automation. Yeah. So, okay, next. And so here was, looks like we can only have 1,000 characters. Let's go over to my, need to, yep. So here was, so primary audience, yep. We're gonna do that, website goals. I don't know if this is actually, so, but here is our pages and key content, and it's just a skeleton. So this is tools page. And so I think that's all we need here, honestly. So it's too much. So that's nice though. Okay, so I am just gonna tell this to, we need this edited down to 1,000 characters or less. So we'll see how it goes. So right now we're on 401, as you can see. So yeah, okay, cool. Oh, it's so elegant, isn't it? Let's see, that might even be too much. Oh, it's not enough, but yep, we'll be able to get rid of it. Excellent. So optional tools, homepage tagline. See, sometimes this is just extra. Yeah. Automation, workflows. Yep. These are all nice things. So we don't need too much. We don't need this. We don't actually need this simple form scheduling link. That's all we need. So where are we? Up. So it's already giving us the plot. So we can go ahead. We could have used the show tips and answered these, but this will be, oh, we don't need to actually improve it. We just needed to click on next. That was pretty nice. So, okay, we'll go with it. And then, so it's adding some keywords, workflow automation, SEO, project management, social media, entrepreneurial support. We could use every one of these. And choose your tone. It's going to be professional. Yeah. And I'm going to go over here to next. And so we want to sell product, want to see, look at all these things that it's offering. I want to display my services. I want to write blog posts. I do want to generate leads. I want to book appointments. And we could do all of these, honestly, but we'll stick with these 5 main ones. And now look, it's creating some images for us. So here is where we might have to go and click on, let's see what it can produce. Search, I could make my own collection. So we could use, what would we use though here? Professional blog. See, we're probably not going to get anything super appropriate. SaaS could be one. And that's why I've created these images. So these are okay. I kind of like these. They're not perfect though. Beauty, Claire. Let's just take a quick look. Consulting could be one. Yeah. Background image. Okay. So these might be all right. At least they will work in a pinch. Personal website, business cards. So we got consulting. I'm professional services. We could also do. Nah, consulting seems a little bit better. Okay, so I will add some images, the AI images that I had showed you previously. So we'll just generate that with the base content. And here we go. And, I could easily be downloading or getting ready Rank Math or any of the other. We could probably set our image optimization while it's doing this. We could also go to our settings and take a look at all these settings here. So image optimization, I'm actually setting image WebP replacement so that the images that are uploaded to the media library are all in WebP format. So that's what I would do for sure. And then it's already created our website. So work smarter, not harder is our tagline. And we will create this site icon that will be easy. I have it already, basically. And then let's go to writing, reading. Well, we definitely want to go to media, and we're going to get rid of turn these all to zeros here, because that will make this site much more lean. Then I'll go to permalinks, and I will actually set it to this is the ideal structure for this website, and discussion. So the rest of them, now one thing we could do is we have to remember this is turned on. So you might want to check this depending on what your plans are, but I'm going to just go, look, we've already finished. The website's ready. So I'm going to choose something that looks kind of smart and modern. This is kind of okay. Which one? So see, this is where we have to come. This is where the square logo would work better. Here's the rectangle logo. So I'm going to go with this probably just because it's quick and easy. This would be a decent one here, but we'd have to change all these icons, which is fine. But I'm going to make this easy on us. I'm going to make this real easy and go, although this is, we may have to change this around. So this is looking kind of rectangle. Let's see, let's check our highlight color. So we wanted to do our my font color, which was inside of right here. No. So as you can see, I just need the color. I just want to make the green color. Yeah, where were we? Let's see, go to workflow ease. Yeah. So let's get this green color. Yep. And back over here to the site. Hey, where's my site? Where is my site? Okay, so boom. So we're going to do that, and we're going to go with that. Perfect. Fonts, we could absolutely change. I'm kind of into these. Yeah. I want to kind of do that whole. Yeah, I like this one, I think. Okay, so look, about, contact, FAQ, our mission, services, reviews. I'm probably going to get rid of reviews and pricing since we don't have reviews or pricing at the moment, but I think that the rest of these will be easy and good. we could remove this FAQ because I'm not sure we can. Yeah, let's keep this simple. So these are the ones we want for sure. Okay, so let's, yeah, just wanted to check this real quick. Yeah. So we could, so it is importing example. Okay, so there we go. Example products, that's important. So import footer widgets. See, this will create additional. Okay, so this, yeah, that's good. I'm glad I checked that. Okay, so cadence blocks. We do want, we probably will want WooCommerce, and we can do the email designer, although it's absolutely not useful, not necessary at the moment. Okay, boom. Let's get ready. So I've got my things. And I also want here, I'm going to write down these. I'm going to go ahead and take the orange. Okay, so there we got our colors. So building the pages. And yeah, this is right on time. We're going to see. So once this is done, then we will just have to add some links and edit the footer, upload our widget, upload our favicon, our site icon, and our logos. And so, yeah, see my site. So here we go. It looks like we're going to, yeah. So the issue here is we're going to have to change all these items. So let's open up, let's edit this page and let's go to customize and then let's go back into the dashboard. So I know that from customize, I'm going to have to go straight to my header and go straight to my logo and upload that. So we know that's right here. I am going to go for this one. So we want to definitely add alt text. And that's another thing that the alt text is important. Cool. Oh, so yeah, we got to get rid of that. Actually, get rid of that and then make this. Yeah, there we go. That's what we want to do. So I'm going to get rid of the FAQ. That will probably make that a little bit. We'll have to edit that in back over here in appearance menus. So I'm surprised I didn't add it. So we're going to do this. This is where I'm going to use my compressor and upload all my files. So let's go ahead and use all these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's some duplicates. Okay, so then we'll just open those up. Get them all in here. Some of these are a bit big. So see, this is the real problem is not the work or the difficulty or anything. It's the tediousness of this kind of minutia, this kind of trivial minutia, like editing the files, editing the image files so they're not so big. So we're going to go ahead and, so it's actually, see, so this kind of one might, we'll see what it does here. Yeah, okay. Look, so this was 14 megabytes originally. It may still be too big, actually. You know, 8.8 megabytes. even down 86% is actually probably still too big. That's funny. Yeah, see, it's still 1.8, 1.3 megabytes. So this is the real issue. But maybe we'll do it twice here. Let's see. Okay, so we'll wait for them all to come down. And then we will download them. So we've done this, and I've got that. So let's go over here to our menu. Did I open the menu? Yes, I did. And then, so we're gonna look on the left and the right. We want the right menu to be just get rid of the FAQ. So see how quick this is? Remove and save. So we did that. So this is gonna probably make this a little bit quicker or a better layout. We can also get rid of this probably because we don't want this to, we don't actually need this at the moment. So we'll just take it right off of there. And see, we could move this around a little bit and space this out more. That's nice. And this one can space it out a little bit more. And we don't need this search button. Actually, so with that, we can do it a little bit more. So 54, yeah. Okay, so we'll save that there. And here we go with this. So what I've done, so what I will add these files to the media. So here we go. Let's get them up. It's downloading them. Still downloading. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can change these now quickly. So yeah, we'll just change this image, upload these files, and see if we can use some of these. I will get these in details, and then we'll, yeah. So we can probably do that, or that any one of these probably will work fine. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna have to just upload them all. Okay, and that's that. Let's see if this works. We'll have to add all these. Chatbot AI. We'll have to add all these. So there you go. There you go. So I would make these all bigger. So, you know, something like that. And then we can actually change these ones or even make those better. This kind of thing. These just all you need to do now. Get started. We probably just need to connect that to our contact us page, that kind of thing. And then these ones, this is all we're doing, replacing it, going up into our media files. And yeah, let's just see what, and we want to add an alt text for all these. And we probably want to make it smaller than 440 kilobytes. We'll use that and place it, open the note. So see, this is almost a megabyte, so we don't want that. But yeah, this one will be just fine. And so again, these things right here, I would just make them larger so that they look better. And that's it. That's it. You can spend as much time or as little as you like. This one would probably be better if we make it an H2 and then probably come in here and actually bump it up to 28 or something, and explore our things is probably need to be H3, but then it's actually, it's probably streamline your business can probably be 238. Yeah, something like that. So then we just need to change these, and that's really all you're doing here, guys. So looks like I've got some. Okay, yeah, this one could be there. That's good. And what do we got? This one, upload. Yeah. So I'm gonna use. See, that's okay. We would definitely want to put some alt text here, AI and human co-op. And we can absolutely we can use some sort of script or a plugin to optimize these. This one is actually kind of nice, but there we go. And then, yeah, let's use that right there. These ones are nice. I would change all these size. We can change and adjust this, but this looks good. And then that's it. That's good. And so saving it, and yeah, maybe I will make this just a little bit bigger. Oh, it's already max width. Okay, that's fine. And then let's edit the other pages. So I'm going to open it to, and then we'll just open up now. So the blogs we have to add about, we have to add, oh, that's what we want to do, is probably add a services. That's what we wanted to do. So let's go back into menus and add services. I think that there was a services, that and services. Yeah. So let's put, actually we'll add services to this side, actually like that. And then on the left side, we'll put our, what did I do? Yeah, services on the left side. Okay. Services here. Yeah, like that. So that's on the left side, and on the right side, yeah, that's exactly right. So that is what I want. And then, excellent. So other than that, we just need to adjust it on the mobile, change it on the mobile. So that's to make it beautiful on the mobile. We want to make sure that this is all nice and small. So we would come over here and make sure it's on mobile like that, and then make this one small. And this one actually could probably be a little bit smaller. Yeah, and then this one could even be small. Nope. Yeah, something like that. And the line height could even be smaller than that. But yeah, there we go. And we want to give these ones a little bit of space. Yeah, so that's right. Actually, keep that one. Exactly. Yep, so this is one of the most important things to do, is just go through here and change all this. This can be a video. We can actually get rid of this icon here, I think. So yeah, I'm going to save that and make it back to the desktop, and then come over here and probably save this icon. This is a video, that's why. So it looks okay from this point of view. And yep. And yep. Yeah. Okay. It looks good from that point of view. And so here we'll just get that. Hey, actually, we definitely want to refresh, publish that, and look at the blog. So the blog is here. So we do have a few nice blogs. So I will just quickly delete the Hello World blog, and so we can also change these ones. So edit this page, and that's it. So I just need to change these. Each page needs to change the icons, and so I can use some robots, or we can use something like that, and use this one. So again, this is a little bit too big in the terms of size, so we want to definitely change that. But you see, this is good, other than So and you see, these ones are just making it look good in each format. So how long is that going to take? It really is up to your aesthetic, what you want to see. So I'm going to just actually change those blogs real quick, go to the posts and get rid of Hello World and trash them. And then, okay, we got About Us is done. Save the blog. We've got that one done. It's nice. And then, it's looking good. Contact us. Okay, yeah, we need to hit the contact us one, and let's edit this page. So this looks actually kind of good. And so I remember that I have to put Joel's phone number there. Yep. And then we'll put Joel at, actually, we don't want to put Joel's number there. We'll put info at workflowease.io. And there we go. So I would make these all bigger. Again, just making these nice so they look good in each format. Maybe this is too big, I'm not sure. But we definitely want to take a look at every one of these with the mobile view to make sure that they're all nice looking. Okay, so one last thing. Yeah, so we got this right there. The one last thing I would do is we definitely need to hit this form up. So let's go back to desktop and email. Yeah, we went to email settings, username settings, and we want to do that. So email settings. So after that, we're going to go to info@workflowease.io. Boom. And so that is good. And then the last one, let's just take one more good look at it. Oh, there was going to do, yeah. So we have to fix this still. So customize, and then let's go to services and our mission and about. That's what, oh, did we do our about? Okay, so this one we have to lay out a little bit better. Show, here we go. Hey. Yeah. So 3.7, yep. Okay, and then services, so we did that, but obviously this needs to change, so let's just edit this page real quick. All of these could change, every one of these can change, but this is nice. John Jones showing it, there we go, good. And then the obviously this footer needs to change. So, but that's it, that's about it. So we can change this kind of thing to replace it. Remove media. So, oh, that's right. Is it about us? Explore offerings and power app business. So we can replace it and add, let's add something I can add myself. And that's nice. And actually we can, yeah, there we go. Oh, no. So we want Joel to replace Joel and put him right there and me right here. And this one will have to change, obviously. So there you go, guys. There's a few things, you just have to edit them. That's it. That's all we have to do, is we have to edit all the information. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Let's take a look at it real quick on the telephone here, guys. So that's critical. One important thing is to check it every time on the phone. Oh yeah. Okay, so I think it looks good on the phone, but it has just a little bit of, before I show it to Joel, I need to actually change it here on the, actually, let's just put the logo. And yes. Okay, and then yeah, let's go with the home page. We're gonna have to get rid of a bunch of that space. Mobile also. Almost. Beauty. And then wait, let's get over here with the we need to make sure we need to make this also our mobile. Oh yeah, that's the one thing. Yeah, we need to create a new menu so that we can have them. Yeah, we don't save the menu and then create a new menu so that we can have a mobile, because the mobile is going to be just different. So create a mobile and then select it. And then we'll add all of our things about our mission services, contact, all added. Oh, it was already added. Oh my God. Actually, let's just refresh that. So there we go. See, that's the, okay. So mobile, yep, we got the mobile. And let's go back over here. We got more than one open up here. So mobile, select the menu. We need mobile. Yeah, we got that. The only thing I need to do is check my phone, and it needs to be over just a little bit. Actually, we're going to need it to. And then to design. Now we'll have to check this. We'll have to make the site icon. And there we go. Yeah, we want to make this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, and the trigger maybe needs to come over. Let's see. Ah, yes. So, last but not least, okay, let's see. Looks pretty good right there, guys. We might want to bring this over just a couple more touches. Right there, here and here needs to be a little bit smaller. And then mobile, same thing. Right here. No, right here. Yeah, this needs to go and this needs to go. And then we got that done. And let's see if we can do any of the batting. Probably can go. So menu, yeah, we wanted to add our services contact. Our services and our mission is not there. So add. And oh, we do want to get rid of that. So guys, the real issue is just this tedious little, nothing hard here. Nothing hard at all. And I just want a little bit less. Yeah, like that. Oops. So there's it's a little bit hard to get rid of that last bit of space there. And let's see if we can actually look at this and put a minus, and the padding at the top, we'll get it rid. This is how you get rid of it. And then we can add a little bit of negative margin to get it closer to the top. Actually, I think we can actually do it even more. Let's see. Let's see. I could deal with it. The last thing I want to do is I want to create this the image in the background here. I want it to just come back over a little bit. So we're going to open up this hamburger menu here, and let's see where the back image is coming at. Background settings, background overlay. Where is the image? So the image in the background there, no, it must be here. It must be in here. Background settings. We want to move this image over so it plays nicely. Okay, let's bring this back into the desktop view and grab that image. So where's the image? Yeah. So yeah, so it's in background settings. Let's try it. Mobile, but background setting, background overlay settings. Yes, custom background for mobile. That's what we want. So I'm going to do that with this one. But actually, we might want to change it. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we need to do. We probably just need to change where it's located. That's right. Okay. Contain full. Let's go. Actually, we need to go with more like. No, that's not what we want to do. No, none of these are going to do anything. Actually, yeah, we want to bring this over to the. Yeah. Oh, that's what we want to do. So we want to bring that overlay opacity. That's what we're going to do. Okay. And also probably do some sort of other custom background overlay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Background, custom background. Yeah, but we want to probably change that. Okay, let's give it a try. So, yeah. I'm liking that. Okay, so I'm liking it, guys. That is what we have. So it took us it took us 40 minutes. So with all the little tweaks and from beginning to end, yeah, I think it's pretty darn good. It's definitely usable, and it took 40 minutes, but I think that my approach is a bit fastidious, right? I'm a little bit overly focused on the details. I'm sure there's a lot of folks out there that could do far less or could accept far less. Oh, there's one little thing I want to do here, and that is check the footer. The footer. I want to blow out this cadence business here. So we probably just need to, check out the theme credit and just put work flow ease, and then and then we're gonna just take out the shop. I think we definitely don't need the shop, which is, I think we can just get rid of that right there. Yeah. And we probably don't need that. And yeah, this is right. right. And then we can do this one right here. It's surprising that they self on it. And then I'm going to change that to something like okay, that's it. We probably can change these as well. I'm gonna, yeah, we're gonna just leave that. That's right, because we don't need either of those. And I think other than that, I only want to probably change this amount of padding here. So there we go, guys. Let's see. I think it looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna just, the only thing I'm gonna change is the padding there in the footer. So come over here to widgets. Let's see if we can fix that. So animation is here. Yeah, edit page. So I didn't, yeah, one thing we want to do is, and change this one to Joel and I. So there's Joel, and there am I. Thought I did this already. Okay. Okay, guys. So I am, let's just check this real quick. So review count details continue. Yeah, I got it. Got it, homie. Workflow ease. So guys, I'll say that, yeah, let's go. So I'll say that it definitely took much longer than I thought, but I'll also say that what took all the time was just some boring, tedious little details, tiny edits, nothing difficult. There wasn't any coding. There wasn't any. There wasn't anything hard to figure out. There weren't any tricks. We didn't have to know anything special. There really wasn't anything too involved. And it's not finished, but you know, you really can essentially say that I got a website in an hour. Okay, guys, so I have checked out the site in various formats, looked on my PC and on my phone, and it's looking okay. So there's a lot to improve in terms of aesthetic and to make it more compelling or more flashy, but you can see that it's quite good actually. There I am, and then we have, let's see, Joel there. So looking good. He's the CEO and I'm the co-founder. Pretty nice. So just under an hour. I guess I lied when I said 15 minutes. The actual website was created in less than 15 minutes, but it was just a bunch of editing to get it to look presentable. And I want it to be nice and Joel to appreciate it and like it and take to it. So yeah, I think it's not bad. So we have to add our socials, and then each page needs to be properly tended to. But from an overall look, we'll have to, let's see, yeah, our mission, this one can change, contact us, and the blog looks nice. And our missions, actually, I'm going to add, no, was it services? I'm going to add, no, our mission. Let's maybe, yeah, oh, we already got Joel there. So, yeah, seems to me pretty good. I think we probably could change Okay, guys. So with that said, I am done for today. Appreciate you guys checking me out. And if you like this, uh, leave a comment and like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Appreciate it. Have a good one.